dobre, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So I just finished my Polish lesson class. It's about 2 hours, and then I feel like the grammar and everything is so complicated. Okay, anyway, so I just had my lunch as well, and I decided to walk in the park. And Wednesday, like Tuesday, normally. My activities is like having a Polish lesson, meeting my friends, and the thing is that mostly my friends, they are going somewhere for the summer holidays. It's about 33 degree today. Oh look, they have even a bamboo trees in the middle. It's very nice. That's the bridge. It's nice. This waterfall actually reminds me the land in Bali, my dad's land, with a waterfall, natural waterfall. It's beautiful. And this alpinarium, it's really like, growing wild in my dad's land, but here in Poland they really taking care of it. Just look at these lilies and the rose in the middle. It's beautiful. Basically, the park Wilsona and surround. It is very enjoyable while listening to the bird sound. And I think that some tourists are here. That's in front of me is Palmiernia. I think that I will not go to today there because it's hot. It's very hot, and there is the glass house, something like that. So better I wanna have a coffee somewhere. Just look at this building architecture. It's nice. Many nice new building. Basically here, I wonder that how much the apartment here close by the park must be pricey. Okay, so let's go to the coffee shop. Here is the coffee shop. Kaviarnya Seven Continental. The bamboo trees. It's amazing. Small things can make me happy. It's very nice. Let's go inside. Oh, look at this statue. Umbrella. So cute. So I'm already inside the coffee shop. Oh, the palm trees. Nice. Oh, papaya tree. And look at this tree. Banana tree. Nice. So I decided to have a coffee. It's hot. It's hot here, but it's nice. This anthurium. It's very nice. It's just like almost all the plants grow wildly in my hometown, but here it's so exotic. The lamp, statue, nice. So hot inside. I just sip my coffee and then out. I just want to feel like, surrounded by the tropical trees, and yeah, it's very nice feeling when you feel like I'm home. I'm home. Okay, so now I would like to go to the one place to print my paper, because tomorrow I have actually important interview, so I needed some paper to be printed. Let's go out some of the paper, because tomorrow I think in the morning I will have some kind of interview and meeting. Well, basically, like, I'm open with everything, any kind of business, any kind of job opportunities. So my friends actually inviting me to have a business together, so I need to prepare some papers. So let's see what the future is. This is area de Święto Marcinski. You see that there's so many shops, print shop and everything. That's the Adam Mickiewicz University building, and that's why I always go to Święto Marcinski, because everything is here, and coffee shop and everything, money changer. So yeah, we are in the Grudnia street. Basically this is how it looks. I'm waiting for the tram. It is very very hot here in Poland currently during the summer. Okay, some people already asking me, how's your massage business and spa business? Yes, I just need to wait for one certain paper from the government and then I officially legally can open. Just because of, I don't know, it's just waiting too long. The paperwork, I don't know what's happening actually. So yeah, I have to wait for that, for one paper, and then I officially legally will open my spa and massage business. So yeah, currently I'm opening for any kind of, you know, cooperation business or job opportunities. So yeah, let's see. Like about living in Poland is that the public library is so nice, fancy, and the book collection also for the Polish books, they have a many collection. So yeah, this is actually how I spend my day in Poznan, Poland. So let's go home and I need to prepare for dinner. It is a beautiful apartment. Very nice, fancy. So this is my neighborhood in Jesice. Nice doors. Before I go home, I will go to the bakery shop. I will buy something for Damian. I bought Damian one ponchek because he's coming soon. I'll go home and prepare for his dinner and that's his dessert. He loves ponchek. Smacznego, kochanie.
Dziękuję.
Damian just arrived home. And what's for lunch? Pierogi i ponchek.
I górkę.
I gurkin. Smacznego!
Dziękuję.
It's Damian's lunch and Damian already go for driving Uber. Now it's time for me to walk in the park. Just, you know, like 2 minutes from our apartment. I need to do walking exercise because I eat a lot. So yeah, I'll show you the park where I usually go. That's the small park in between the apartments. Here is the restaurant, the pizzeria, and the ice cream shop where I used to go. I mean, like I usually go with Damian. It is very hot currently, about 30 degrees. So I wear my short pants and my shirt and walk, exercise in the park. Let's see how it is the park today. Apartment just behind the tunnel over there. And then walking, we will go to the park Sawacki. Like I told you, literally 2 minutes already green park. And look at how is the traffic situation. It's very very under control. And one thing, walking path so nice. Hi birdie. And clean everywhere. We just arrived in the Park Sawacki, and Park Sawacki is also famous with the lake in the middle of the park. And look at this, so many ducks, birds, duckling, beautiful. Oh, they have the small one. Look at this. That's the birds. This is what I told you why I really like living here in Poznan. It's literally my apartment, 2-minute walks already close by the lake and nature like this. So pretty. Oh, nice. You see people are coming with the family, friends, cycling. It's nice. Here is the park and the green trees. Nice. And that in the middle is actually the lakes. Beautiful. That's over there is the children playground under the shade. Nice. What animal that I found? Ah, that's Yesh. No, This is yes. Yes. In Polish is yesice. Ah, look at you, buddy. You see, they live wildly. I mean, like, you see, you can even spot them here. Look at him. I've never seen this animal before in my life. Look, he's so chill, even next to the human. Oh, yes. So over there is the children playground. This one is the bike cafe, ice cream shop, and this one is the small bridge, and people having a picnic. Nice. Look at in the front, many people having a picnic, and also many people are doing, I don't know, kind of Reiki, something like that, yoga. Very nice, enjoyable. Just decided to sit here by the park. Look at the people behind me. See, what I see is that people are here really have a very healthy living style. It's nice. That also another coffee shop, and daddy with this baby and stroller, people having a picnic. That's the children playground. Nice. The sound of the water is so relaxing and calming. Beautiful. Right, so this is actually a part of my daily life in Poznan, Poland, and there are so many green nature and parks, and yes, every day I go to the park when I'm not busy working. So this is how I enjoy my daily life. Maybe for those some of you feels like boring, but for me not really. You know, it's just like totally different than my previous days. What I can say that I got a less stress. Mostly people saying that you live in Bali, you close by the beach, your life is not stressful. No, I've got a stress life in Bali, you know, like stuck in the traffic jam every day, going to the work and then come back, and then even like, you know, close by the beach. But for me it's just like it's stressful life. Here in Poland I enjoy my life and my husband working, you know, like from 8 to 4. He's working as a project director in one company, and then after that he rests at home having lunch or dinner for 1 or 2 hours, and after that he's driving Uber, because before he got a job as a project director he has his transport company. So basically that we came to Poland, we start from zero, and that's why he has to work hard to pay for the bills, pay for the loan, and hopefully all the paperwork and everything will be you know, done based on our plan. Because one thing that I still need to wait for my, you know, paper, and I hope that I can help him also with everything. So that's my personal thought, and this is my daily life. I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. So I really would like to say thank you for those of you who still watching us until now.